The star apple is Jamaica's meanest fruit. This means that no matter how ripe a star apple might be, it nah fall from off of the tree. But did you know that the star apple was a power fruit that has a lot of health benefits? This video will delve into the secret powers of the magical star apple. And just before we get into the video, I'm just reminding you to subscribe. Subscribe to the channel. Jamfed celebrating Jamaican culture yard and abroad. Now, my Auntie Roche said that one of the most powerful weapons against diarrhea or any other form of digestive irregularities such as belly ache, stomach ache, tummy ache, premenstrual ache, menstrual cycle ache, whatever, then you can use the star apple leaf. Star apple leaf tea, while boiling about 3 or 4 leaves from the star apple tree, will help to put your belly back in order. Another use of the star apple leaves is to apply to wounds to help them to heal faster. The star apple leaves are crushed and made into a substance that is then applied to the wounds. This accelerates the healing process. Star apple is also used in the fight against diabetes. The fiber that is in the fruit, as well as substances in the leaves, help to regulate the body's glucose level and keeps the blood sugar at a stable rate. Want to lose weight? Well, the star apple could be one of your newest and best friends. The nature of the star apple fruit means that it allows for us to feel filled for a very long time. This means that you won't have any appetite to eat, and it will allow you to lose weight. Now, if you are anybody you know suffering from what my Auntie Roche call a bad breath, then go know where the star apple is here. The star apple plant actually has antibacterial properties that help to reduce cavities, and the leaves, when used as a mouthwash, is very effective to reduce bad breath, dental diseases, and other oral infections. Yes, man, the star apple plant is very powerful. Now, my Auntie Roche said if you're suffering from what the doctors call hypertension or what she call high blood pressure, then you could use the star apple leaves to help you. The star apple leaves help to regulate blood flow to and from the heart when used as a tea. So, you see how the star apple plant useful and the star apple leaf useful? Yes, man. So the next time you walking past a star apple tree, make sure say you bow, take off your hat and salute it. Thank you very much for watching this video, and stay tuned for more in the Jamaican Bush Remedies series, because guess what? We dead and left them remedy are back away, you know. We're carrying them to the next generation. Please remember to like, share, comment, and subscribe to this channel.